Starting up and shutting down your sound system might sound simple, but do it out of order and you risk damaging equipment, losing settings, or blasting the room with noise. In this video, I'll walk you through the proper sequence to turn your entire system on and off the right way. Real quick, before we do that, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button if you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. One thing we really need to know is why it's important to do a proper shutdown and startup on your system. The mixer is essentially a computer inside a mixer's body. It has an operating system and it stores your settings. It would be like pulling the power cord on your computer while you're in the middle of typing up an important document. If you don't do this properly, you risk losing scenes, snippets, routing presets, and many other things, causing you hours of lost setup. It also prevents pops, speaker damage, as well as could prolong the life of your gear. The process of turning on your sound system is really simple, but it's important to do it in the correct order. First off, you're going to want to turn on all your inputs. That's your wireless transmitters for your microphones, computers, if you have a CD player hooked up to it, anything like that. After everything's turned on, go ahead and turn on your mixer. After your mixer is fully booted, go ahead and turn on your amplifiers or your powered speakers. And that's it. Now you're up and running and ready to mix for the day. Shutting down the system is just as simple, with one extra step. First, you're going to want to make sure you save any settings or scenes on your mixer before you start this process. If you have a Behringer X32 board like I do here or a Midas M32, go ahead and check out this video on how to save scenes if you don't know how to do that. Now, we're going to want to make sure we power off our amplifiers or powered speakers. Next, you're going to want to shut down your mixing console. To do this with the Behringer X32, go ahead and press the setup button to the right side of the screen. And then on the left-hand side above the knob, go ahead and choose Shutdown. Press down on the knob to select Shutdown. And as you can see, it is now ready to shut down. Now you can go ahead and flip the switch on the back of the mixer, or if you have it in a power strip like I do, you can go ahead and turn that off there. Next, go ahead and shut down all your inputs. And there you have it, the proper way to start up and shut down your system. Remember, startup, it's inputs, mixer, and then amps or speakers. For shutdown, it's save, amps or speakers, mixer, and then inputs. And that's it for today. I will see you next time.